Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Spotify where the location is tied to your account. Use the app or web player. I recommend the device you use most. Once signed in, go to your profile menu and open account settings because location options live there. Make sure your email is verified and, if changing countries, have a valid payment method or local address ready. This is why Spotify needs accurate location data. Next, open Account Overview and select Edit Profile or Account Settings where the country field appears. You change the country from the drop-down, choose the destination exactly as shown. If Spotify requires it, update your billing address or add a payment method that matches the new country so subscriptions continue. Once done, save changes and sign out, then back in to force the app to refresh region-specific libraries and licensing. Finally, if you're on mobile and don't see the option, open the desktop account page in a browser and edit there. It's more reliable. Avoid using VPNs to fake location. Spotify may block or revert changes because they validate billing region and licensing. Once you save, sign out and back in on all devices so caches update. If something fails, double-check payment and address match the new country. Then contact Spotify support with account details for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.